What zodiac are you?
I'm the rooster.
I'm a monkey.
You're the monkey.
I'm a monkey.
How do you celebrate Lunar New Year?
I celebrate Lunar New Year with my family and friends in my community. We have a really big party with people from like the towns nearby, with probably around 100 people.
Well, I always celebrate Lunar New Year with the family. We do like a massive cleaning of the house to get away all the bad luck for the year and bring in the good luck. We always have like a big dinner that's always really tasty and it's really well done. And sometimes we'll give phone calls back to the family in Hong Kong to wish them a Happy New Year's.
During Lunar New Year, my entire family gets together and we eat dinner. It's usually like the same food. We always eat dinner.
What kind of food do you guys prepare for Lunar New Year?
Usually there's like a lot of food. There's dumplings, there's like traditional rice cakes and rice and there's just a lot of food.
We like to eat dumplings, of course, noodles. Also, everyone knows like the moon cakes. Everyone eats moon cakes.
We always eat this dish which consists of lobster and the glass noodle.
I always like eating the dessert at the end. We call it tong yun. It's those little soup dumplings filled with sweets, and it's supposed to symbolize wealth in the new year, and I always like eating those.
Do you overall enjoy Lunar New Year, and why?
Yes, I enjoy Lunar New Year a lot because it's a really good opportunity to get together with other members of the Asian community and celebrate culture together.
Overall, it's just a very joyous and happy time, and a time to say hello to family you haven't seen in a long time, and just a time to have fun.
Yeah, I think it's a great way to spend time with family and really bond together.
What's your favorite activity in your celebration of Lunar New Year?
I think my favorite activity is getting iced tea because red packets filled with money.
So I get a lot of money for Lunar New Year. That's always nice.
Gives you a lot of them.
I enjoy Lunar New Year because I get a red packet and it's like a few $100. And yeah.
Lunar New Year is the red packets where friends and family give each other like red packets of money to symbolize good luck and fortune.
So performances, we have like the lion dance. That's lovely. We have taiko drumming. Yeah, we have taiko drumming and taekwondo.
Alright. How do you celebrate Lunar New Year?
I don't.
Who do you celebrate Lunar New Year with? What does Lunar New Year mean to you?
It's a new year.
What zodiac are you?
Cancer.